Hello, today I have a great recipe for sourdough hoagie rolls. This bread is very soft, delicious, and it goes perfect with any sandwich. So, here we go! Pour 150 grams or half a cup of water in a mixing bowl. Add 125 grams or half a cup of milk. Add 25 grams or 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 25 grams or 1¼ tablespoons of agave syrup. You can also use honey or any other syrup you prefer. Add 10 grams or half a tablespoon of sea salt. Use a dough whisk to start mixing the ingredients. And add 11 grams or 1 teaspoon of diastatic dry malt powder. This dry malt will create a better rise and a more golden brown crust in your bread. If you don't have it, you can omit adding it, but you will see a difference in your bread when you use it. Add 125 grams or half a cup of ripe sourdough starter at 100% hydration. Mix the sourdough starter well with the ingredients until the sourdough starter dissolves well. Then, add 500 grams or 3¾ cups of bread flour in stages. Add first a third of the flour and mix well with a dough whisk until it dissolves well. Add the rest of the flour and keep mixing with your dough whisk to incorporate all the flour into the dough. Use your hands to start kneading the dough in your bowl for about 2 minutes until the dough comes together and your bowl is almost clean. Then, take the dough out of the bowl and finish kneading it by hand. Check your dough, and if the dough is soft and elastic, like this one, place it in a grease bowl. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let the dough rest in a warm place. I am placing my dough to rest in my dough proofer at 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius for at least 4 hours or until the dough doubles in size. When your dough is ready, take it out of the bowl and place it on your working table. Use a kitchen scale to divide your dough in 4 equal pieces. Then make balls with your dough. Make sure to add tension to the dough as you are rolling it in circular motions on your working table. Repeat the same process with the rest of the pieces of dough. Let the dough rest for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, shape your bread. First, stretch the dough to the sides. Roll the dough in on both sides. Make sure to roll tightly as you roll the dough. Turn the dough seam side down and apply pressure as you pull the dough on your working table to add tension to the dough. Sprinkle some cornmeal on a prepared baking sheet with a silicone mat or parchment paper and place the dough on the cornmeal. Repeat the same process for the other 3 pieces of dough. Cover your dough with a plastic lid or plastic wrap and let the dough rest in a warm place for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, your dough should have risen enough like this one. So, score it with a dough knife. Make a single quick cut with your knife at 45 degrees. Check out the tools that I'm using today, like this bread knife, the pot holders, oven mitts, dough whisk, or this silicone scraper. They were sent to me by my friends at Armolity to try them out. I found them to be a useful and affordable option for any baker. Please check the description of this video for more info about their products. Brush the dough with egg wash. Make sure to cover the whole area of the dough. Sprinkle some cornmeal on top of your dough. And place the bread in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Place a cup of ice in a hot metal tray located under the bread to create some steam in your oven. After 10 minutes, remove the steam tray and keep baking for another 10 minutes. Your bread will be ready when it's golden brown. So, take it out of the oven and place it on a cooling rack. Let it cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing it. You will realize that this bread is very soft and the texture is perfect to make your favorite sandwich. Today, I will be making a simple sandwich of turkey breast and pepper jack cheese, lettuce and tomatoes. This will make a great lunch for my family.
I hope you can try this recipe. If you try the recipe, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please click in the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new recipe every week. Thank you for watching.